Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a Roblox themed Valentine's Day box. Alright guys, so you'll need a big box for the Roblox guy body, and my nephew requested the default guy, so you'll need this box for his body. I found this puzzle boxes at Dollar Tree, and these will be his arms. You will also need glue sticks, and I found this 4-pack at Dollar Tree. You will also be needing some scissors and a round box. I found this at Dollar Tree for his head, and it's kind of small, but it'll do the job. It'll be okay. You will also be needing some tissue paper for his clothes. You will also need some sort of paper, cardstock, white printer paper, whatever you have at hand. I just had this gift box laying around, so I cut it to the size just to cover the box so I won't see the heart and the blue color of the box. You will also be needing some tape, a glue gun, a glue stick, and let's get started. So the first step is to add tape to the box so it won't come open. Now I will be adding the white box or the white cardstock or printer paper, whatever you're using, so I can cover the box. Alright guys, so for this next step, I will be using the blue tissue paper for his pants. So I already measured and cut, and all I'm going to do right now is add some glue to the bottom half of the box and glue the blue tissue paper down on all sides. Now you will need to repeat the same step but on the back of the box, and just glue the other piece of blue tissue paper to the back on all sides. Alright guys, so once you're done, this is how the box or the bottom half of the Roblox guide should look like. And up next, I will be doing the same step but with a green tissue paper on top. Alright guys, so this is the finished product on, the shirt and the pants of the Roblox guy. So this is what your box should be looking like now. Now I will be adding the arms, and for this I will be using the yellow tissue paper and gluing and wrapping the yellow tissue paper on this puzzle box. And again, this will be his arms, so let me show you what it'll look like after you're done. Alright guys, so I already wrapped both arms, and so the next step is to glue them down to the side of the box. And this is how your box should be looking like once you already attached his arms. And up next, we'll be working on his head. Alright guys, so I got a piece of tissue paper and just wrapped the head or the little round box with a tissue paper and tucked the remainder of the tissue paper inside. And now I just cut a strip of the yellow tissue paper, and I will be hot gluing it down, and with a glue stick I will be gluing it all around the round box just to make it a little bit smoother for his face. And now once you're done, you just tuck in again the remainder of the tissue paper inside, and you're done with this little head. And now it's time to hot glue it to the top of the box. And now with a Sharpie, I will be adding his eyes and his mouth. And now I will be drawing the opening with a pencil, and then I will be using my X-Acto knife to cut it, and I am making it a little bit bigger just so all the treats and whatever cards or whatever he gets can fit inside the box. Once I finished cutting the hole, the opening for the treats, I did notice that the box was coming undone for right there, and so all I did was add some hot glue and make sure the box was secured. Alright guys, so this is what your little Roblox guy should be looking like, and I forgot to record, but I did add a white cardboard square to his chest and a sticker with the letter R for Roblox, and it just I also added the line for his pants, and it turned out super cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.